You guys heading back as well?
You too?
Yeah, we just finished up with a job.
A job?
Ta-da! Summons and stuff.
I imagine felling beings much like the primals was harrowing.
It was no sweat. And you?
I had a great time. There was danger around every corner.
This isn't some field trip, Vaughn. It's serious.
Well, we found out a lot too. Apparently, Planesgorgers are running amok all over.
Aye, and have wrought much destruction. They sup on the force we seek to amass, threatening this world's balance. It could founder ere long.
Huh? Hey, listen up. This is important.
But not enough for Squall?
If that's how it is, we'll need to change our priorities.
Just so everyone knows, Materia and Spiritus were created from Cosmos' desire to keep this world safe. I also want to make sure this world is safe. Lots has happened to me here. Maybe not all of it good, but that doesn't make this place any less important.
Without this world, we couldn't see each other anymore.
I don't want that. Plus, we barely know anything about each other's homelands.
To arms, then. This land has suffered the presence of these voracious dragons over long.